Welcome, I'm using HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's go into the settings app, and from here down to backup and reset, and at the bottom you'll find factory data reset. It provides info what it will remove, so you have the Google account, system update and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So basically everything that you have put on the device, and only the apps that come with the device will remain. So once you're ready, you can tap on reset phone, erase everything, and the process will begin. Now it's going to take probably a couple of minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. Then you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.